Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on Home Link 7.4. All right, today in class we made a set of fraction strips, and fraction strips are equal length strips folded into equal parts, and each part is labeled with the appropriate unit fraction, such as 1/2 and 1/4. And then you can use those strips to help compare fractions. So if we look at this, what they want us to do in our home links tonight is to shade each rectangle to match the fraction below. And if you remember, boys and girls, in this example here, it's telling us that it is 2/4, and we know that because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, so that is our denominator, which is on the bottom, and then we have 2 of those parts shaded in, which would be our numerator, which is on the top. So if we look at number 1, they want us to shade in 2/3. Well, we have 1, 2, 3 pieces, so let's just shade in 2 of those. And that would show us what 2/3 would look like. On the next one, 3/8, so 8 tells me that there are 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we want to shade in 3 of those parts. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to shade in 1, 2, 3 parts. And that gives us a fraction of 3/8. On the next one, 3/6, remember 6 is our denominator and it tells us how many parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we want to shade in 3 of those, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and on number 4, it is 1/4. 4 tells us how many parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 tells us how many shaded. I only want to shade in 1 of those parts. So that gives me a fraction of 1/4. Okay, on the next part, we are going to compare the shaded parts of the fraction strip. We're going to use the 3 different signs that we have here. And remember, when we have it going this way, it means less than. When we're going this way, it's greater than, and then we have the equal to. So number 5, if we use our fraction strips and we lined up 1/4 and 1/3, we could tell that 1/4 is less than 1/3. For number 6, it says we're comparing 6. So if we have 4/6, we should know that 4/6 is going to be greater than 2/6. All right, on the bottom, we're just going to practice. Okay, we want to get a unit, so let's go with lily pad. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to make an estimate. Okay, and if I made my estimate, I would say 960 minus 550. 960, that would give me 410. Okay, and then I want to subtract. And I always say set them up vertically and use whatever subtraction strategy that you have. Okay, we're just going to go over here and regroup. 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 9 minus 4, or 9 minus 5 is 4. So my actual answer is 415, and my estimate was 410, so we had a good estimate. All right, on my next one, let's estimate 410. Notice our operation changes here. It's no longer subtraction, it's addition. So 410 plus 300, okay, and that would give me 710 as my estimate. and then once again setting this up vertically and using whatever strategy that you need to use. 8 plus 2 is 10, 9, 10, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7, 10. So my estimate was the same as my answer. All right, good job, boys and girls. So that is home links 4 or 7.4.